Hey guys, so in this video I'm going to be showing you how to make a snake that makes noise. Okay, so what it's going to do is the rattler is actually going to rattle. Okay, so you can do it with just one balloon, or lately I've been doing it with two, and so I've been using the sand, white sand, and the green. I'm just going to inflate it. We're going to inflate this all the way.
Right here you'll let all the air out.
And then what we're going to do is spiral it. So if you know how to spiral it, you can go ahead and just spiral it right now. So what we're going to do is we're going to wrap it around. Sorry, we're going to do 2 fingers right here. Wrap it around. Okay. And then I like to put it through the second finger right there. Okay. But you're going to, anyways, you're going to inflate it. Now if you can use your pump, but I'm going to mouth inflate it. Okay. And you just want a couple of curls. You don't need to be fully curled. As many curls you can get on it is good. Even if it's just 2. Alright. Okay, we're going to take this. So this is where the rattler is going to come in. So we're going to take some salt packets. Okay, this is what's going to make the sound. Alright. So I usually do about 3 packets per design. Okay. So you can grab you some, which I for some reason could not find. It was not in my bag. So it probably fell out. But get you some Cosmetic funnels. They're about this small, and it fits perfectly into the balloon. Okay, and then you can pour this without it spilling everywhere. So now we're just going to inflate this about halfway. Actually, you don't need it that much. Okay. It's hot. Anyways, we're going to take little by little and pour it towards this side. Okay. So you're holding it up here. You just kind of let it gradually come down here. So now it's down here. Okay. We're going to make 2 bubbles and turn those into face twist. Okay. You want a little bit in each bubble. Keep going. Add 2 more. So you add the 1 in between them. Then add 2 more pinch twists right here. Add a little more salt. Into this end. And pinch twist it. And then this is the last one. So add whatever's left over. Make sure everything's out of there. Take it off of this. It's probably stuck to the inside of this. Shake it down. Alright. And we're going to make about a 2-finger bubble. So that'll be the end of it. And then make sure that there's nothing in it. And get rid of the rest. So find it. Get rid of that. And then tie this off. Okay. You can trim that. Now you have this. Okay, and if you can hear, there's your rattler. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and put it on here. If you wait till the end, it'll be too tight. Okay, we're going to go ahead and put it on first. Just tie it to the end. we're going to work on the top of the snake. So as you can see, it's already filled up all the way to there. And we're going to make a pinch twist here. Straight away and leave the pinch twist off. Or leave it on. So that's in place. As you can kind of see, we've lost our twist, but because it's already in there, what we have to do is just flip this and give it a little squeeze. And it'll go add a little spiral back to it. So now you just grab your red, which can be your eyes and your tongue. Okay, and I only add a small little bubble. Like that. Very small. So we're going to twist that in. That's about a 1.5 bubble. Smaller than a 2 bubble. Okay, we're going to split that in half. Like so. And that's going to become the eyes. So we just twist it in. And then now we have a snake. Alright, I hope that was helpful. I hope you like this design. Alright, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.